What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sure Pop. If you are new, welcome. So before we start this tutorial, I do want to mention that we now carry Color Mill. Color Mill is a candy coloring that does not change your chocolate consistency. We do have over 30 colors to choose from. If you are local here in Sacramento, you can go ahead and place your order through Instagram so you can avoid those shipping fees. But if you are not local, you can go ahead and place your order through our website at sprinklesurepop.com. I will be putting the link down below in the description box if you are interested. Okay, so let's get started with our tutorial. Okay guys, so here are the things that you are going to need. 6 strawberries, make sure they are super clean and dry. Mini cupcake liners, a brush, chocolate, one for your heart and one for your strawberries, and a little bit of more chocolate for your molds and for the drizzle. Your butterfly mold, edible glitter, candy coloring by Color Mill in the color taupe. I don't even know how to say this. Oh my god. Taupe. I don't even know. Silver luster dust, and your alphabet mold. And your breakable heart mold. Now let's start melting our chocolate. Make sure you move your chocolate around every time you take it out of the microwave so it won't burn. Okay, now that your chocolate is fully melted, we are going to start coloring it. Okay, so now that your chocolate is fully colored, we want to go ahead and add a couple drops. I basically want to create like a marble effect. This one will come out kind of soft. If you do want it to be more noticeable, I recommend to do either like a white base and then add a couple drops of the color of choice that you want to do and just swirl it around and then just add it into your chocolate mold. So once you've covered all the heart, go ahead and pop it in the fridge. So meanwhile our heart is in the fridge, we are going to start working with our strawberries. Our chocolate is fully melted, but it is a little bit runny, so I'm going to put it to the side, let it chill for a couple minutes before I start dipping the strawberries. Our chocolate is ready for our strawberries, so let's go ahead and color it. I decided to work on the letters and butterflies first, so when I start dipping my strawberries, these molds are going to be in the fridge getting hard. Moving on, before you start dipping your strawberry, make sure you grab all the leaves so you can cover as much as you can. I really thought that the chocolate was ready, but apparently not. It's still a little bit runny. So we are going to just put our chocolate to the side and wait a little bit longer. It's time to add a second layer to our heart. Once you're done, pop it in the fridge again. Our butterfly is ready. Please do this process very carefully because these butterflies are very fragile. They will break very easily. Okay, so now let's start dipping our strawberries. Now let's go ahead and add our silver luster dust to our butterflies. We are almost done, you guys. Now let's go ahead and start adding our drizzle to our strawberries so we can add the edible glitter. You want to go ahead and do this process while your chocolate is wet. So it's time to take off our heart from the mold. You want to do this process very carefully because you do not want to break anything or else you need to start all over. I hope you guys can see the marble effect. If you guys want it to be more noticeable, I do recommend to do a white base. To clean our strawberries, you will need a thinner brush to remove the excess glitter. You want to go ahead and attach the butterflies to your strawberries with a little bit of chocolate. We are finally done, you guys. I went ahead and added the letters off camera. If you guys do recreate this box, please tag me on Instagram at Sprinkle Sugar Pop. I would like to share your work on my page. Comment down below what theme should I do next. Also, don't forget that we now carry color mail on our website at sprinklesugarpop.com. We have over 30 colors to choose from. I will be putting the link down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.